Me personally, I build every truck out of this shop as if it was my own, as if my wife and child were gonna be driving in it. So there's no corners cut, there's no, you know, hurry up and get it done. I mean, every truck is built with 100% pride and passion. Not only are we using the best of the best, but we have the best of the best here at the lift shop building the trucks. Every bolt is tightened by one of the techs. It is then marked in his color-coded marker, so we know, one, who built the truck and that the bolt has been properly tightened. Truck is built, color marked per tech, and checked and signed off by another tech, which is a huge safety thing. Again, safety is number one for us, and making sure that these trucks are 110% when they leave this shop is our main priority.